Deborah Dahab, an expat coach. I help people prepare for a move abroad and I help them adjust once they've arrived. So in this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to create a home in your new country, in your new place. So these tips are very easy to implement. All you have to do is do some internal digging. So let's get straight to it. Tip number 1. Have with you when you move or ship them objects that ground you, that bring you good memories, that bring you positivity. It can be anything. It can be artwork, it can be pictures, it can be even a pillow that you like or a mug. It doesn't really matter as long as you have that object with you. In the new country, it will take a while for you to settle in and feel grounded in this new place. So these objects, keeping them in your visual field in this new house, in this new place you're going to live in, helps create that energy that helps you ground you. So be sure when you're packing and when you're deciding what to pack and what to leave behind to have these types of objects. They can be books. In my case, there were a set of books that I really liked, and I made a point in bringing them during my last move. I will include up here a link that has some tips on what to pack and what to leave behind, so you can dig a little bit deeper on that topic if you want to. Now, making a home in your new country. Tip number 2, remember to involve everyone that is moving. Everyone will have a tip, something that reminds them of good times. So it's not only the decision-making person who it's important to have that. Everyone should be involved. And that means that this new place will be cozy and homey for everyone. That's tip number 2. Remember to involve everyone. Tip number 3. And this has to do with a little bit of internal digging. It's not about the expensive furniture. It's not about, getting everything done. It's really about having meaningful things in your environment. Think about the colors that bring you joy. There is, in the Master Your Move program, we have a whole module on this and a step-by-step system to really think about what are the smells that remind you of happy times. A client of mine, for example, we did this exercise and she remembered that a place that she considered home and cozy and comfortable was her grandmother's house when she was a kid. And she immediately remembered the scent of cinnamon because her grandmother used to make cinnamon tea. There you go. One of the first things she did in her new place was to light cinnamon scented candles. These things bring us a sense of joy, a sense of hominess and comfort that really are not on our conscious forefront. So really be mindful. Think about foods that bring that, drinks or colors or textures. It can be really anything. And when you find that out, incorporate that in your new home, incorporate that in your new place. I hope these tips were helpful. This is a very important topic because your new place, your new environment, it's important that it has the vibe you want, because it's going to be a place where you're going to recharge your batteries, having to deal with a new language, with a new culture, with new people, everything new. It can be mentally draining. So it's really important that your home is a place of peace and a place where you can recharge your batteries. If you would like to go dig deeper and go further, I will be happy to talk to you about the Master Your Move program. The link to book your call and to check out the details of the program are in the description box. You can also check out my free international vacation starter course and my other programs that can help you in your international relocation journey. Remember to like, to subscribe, and comment if there's any topic that you would like for me to talk about, give you some guidance, or help regarding your move abroad or your adjustment after you moved. I hope to see you next time. It was a pleasure to be here.